You know, there's very few places where you can actually go and invest in your health, but also experience a really cool environment. And I believe health is wealth today, without a question of a doubt. For me, the #1 investment that I put my energy towards for longevity is in my health. I got the golden stem cells down here. I've been at the gym training down here. I've been walking up and down the, all the hillsides up here because everything is pretty hilly. So I've been super duper active. And I've been going to the BioXcellerator facility to get my health on. And so this is truly like a wellness vacation. If you want to see a really cool city and also put some years onto your life and feel like you've done something really unique and special, you got to come down here to Medellin and BioXcellerator and invest in your health, because this is a really, really cool experience.